What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. Now, yesterday we made a video, you can see it actually did pretty well here, talking about the fact that we're tracking what could be a break up or a breakdown as early as today, which is very exciting, and we're already starting to see the movement right now. You can see I circled the, the bear flag that has been forming on XRP for quite a long time. I want to pull up what a bear flag is for those that don't know, but you can see right here, this is what a bear flag kind of looks like, exactly how we've been talking about it here, where we're in a descent downwards, we rally up for a short period of time, and then we continue downwards here. It's called a bear flag continuation pattern, a continued correction within the markets here. You can see how bull flags work. Typically, how we enter is how we exit, and you can see we entered on a correction, so we will exit on a correction. Very similar. This is another bear flag formation here, pretty textbook if you ask me, and this is why we've been very bearish on XRP for quite some time, and what we went into in yesterday's episode, that there is a part of me that obviously wants us to see movements to the upside, but the likelihood that it does take shape or take place is obviously slim, so we have to, pay very close attention. But continuation is definitely within the market right now that we're starting to see. Continued consolidation starting to take place, rejection off moving average here, starting to scale lower, and eventually at some point this is going to break. We do know it is biased towards a correction, but anything is possible here. But aside from that, we're also going to be looking at something like Solana. And we also have Ethereum and we have Bitcoin that are showing signs of correction. We pretty much said in yesterday's episode that every single thing is literally looking to dump to the downside here, and I would not be surprised in any way, shape, or form if that took place as of today, and we're starting to see that pattern take shape right now. Solana correcting, we have XRP correcting, Ethereum correcting, Bitcoin starting to correct, and the stock market, which just opened sideways, but I also believe in some shape or form it should start to descend downwards here. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into today's video here, a really renowned promotion that BYDFI is doing. They're really trying to ramp up the end of this year, especially as we approach the holiday season here. They're giving away $8,000 in free cryptocurrency. You heard that right. Free bonus crypto that you guys can trade around with, which is absolutely incredible. For those that don't know, BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. I just saw tons of you guys signed up yesterday, which is super cool. But more info on how to claim this later on in today's video here. But the link for free is down in the description below. Now, you can see the current coin market cap refreshing reveals that the markets are down about 1%, but volume is up quite a bit. And I'm not surprised because over the past couple of days, we've been seeing prices swing up. Only recently did we start to consolidate, but for the past week or so, we've been in an uptrend 100%. And only now are we starting to see these cryptocurrencies kind of spiral downwards here, which is no surprise. And if it does break through resistances that we've been tracking here, then obviously we will buy in and take advantage of these short opportunities that do approach themselves. Now, XRP, jumping to the weekly charts here, you can see we have been battling quite a lot of interesting movements here. For the most part, it's kind of these symmetrical triangles you can see in blue here filling in this gap. We broke down. We're looking for a similar movement right here to break us down. Now, we're not anywhere near the end, which is why we think there's a chance of us heading higher here short term. But when we extend out, you can see how much clearer this looks. So we have this beautiful flag pull up, the symmetrical triangle that's taking place. We have a bull flag clear as day forming right now, and these typically break down. And the thing is that we don't know how low it's going to break us down. Like ideally, we know that at the end of this, more than likely, it will correct to the downside. But if it happens now, I mean, I don't know if it would be that bad for the markets. I'm not entirely sure, but there's a lot riding on XRP to correct. So everyone that's watching, understand we are very bearish on a lot of these cryptocurrencies in the short term. The hope maybe is we just fall down to this support, but there's a very good chance we are going to break through it and correct all the way down to this line or even lower, all the way down to this line over here. It's a very big possibility because we are getting completely rejected and obliterated off this resistance. And typically these are bearish biased. So keep that in mind ASAP. And then jumping to the 4-hour, you can see that there's even more reason why we would expect to see a correction here. This bear flag is pretty much taking over XRP that we've been tracking here, and we don't know really when the end is, but more than likely it's going to lead us to a dump to the downside here. Now, obviously, when it does happen, we'll take advantage of it on XRP because I get it backwards. We'll take advantage of it on BYDFI because BYDFI offers XRP, not the other way around here. You can see we've already been tracking the beautiful XRP chart here on BYDFI, and when the time approaches, you can see we have the 99-day moving average right at the bottom here. We're kind of sandwiched with that 7 and 25-day moving average, but we're inside a beautiful ascending fractal that is most likely going to perish to the downside and correct to the downside. When it does decide to confirm closure either below or above these resistances here, it will be the first to take advantage of it and buy in or short. Now, beyond and besides the 8,100 that they're giving away, click on Reward Center and then go down to Demo Trading Account. On the Reward Center, they have that new user benefit for those that are new to sign up and get $8,100 here, which is insane. Like tons of opportunities to get free crypto. They have a $100 new user deposit, which is extremely easy. They have daily benefits for everybody that's maybe already been a member. Maybe you signed up a month ago and haven't taken advantage of it and thought, oh, well, the rewards expired, so I can't get it. Incorrect. You can now get other rewards daily to keep checking back to earn even more cryptocurrency. Look at all these opportunities here. And then on top of that, they even have exclusive benefits here where you can get gift packs and so on and so forth here, just free crypto yet again that you can use to leverage trade. Moving forward, they have a demo trading account, 50 grand in demo money for you guys to practice trading XRP and Bitcoin and all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And then when you're familiar, you click live trade. It'll bring you to the BYDFI website, the live trading account. And if you, on Bitcoin only, I'd have to go right over here to Bitcoin. I have my bonus wallet that I can use to leverage trade. I have $130. A little goes a long way. You can see I now have the ability to trade over $2,500 worth of free cryptocurrency. That's not mine. It's the best thing ever to trade around with somebody else's money here because it's not mine. And any of the profit I make, I can earn. Anything that I lose, well, it goes back to BYDFI because it's BYDFI's to begin with here. So make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. They are completely free. And moving forward from BYDFI onto Solana, clear rejection, correction here. Surprisingly, though, we did confirm closure above major resistance. Was not expecting that, but clearly rejected off here. Again, the way freaking Solana is moving, I don't even know how to buy in. So I've been avoiding everything to do with Solana for the time being. Until I get some more clean-cut indicators here, I'm sitting this one out. Unless you guys have some other technical pattern that I maybe am just not seeing, I am sitting out on Solana. XRP, I'm getting ready to buy in. Ethereum too, but mainly XRP and Bitcoin are the focus. We had a beautiful opportunity, a beautiful pennant flag that broke bullish on Bitcoin here. Now we hit a resistance and it's causing correction. Either we're going to dump, more than likely we'll probably see some sort of reversal, but this is awesome. This is a continuation pattern outside. This is a bull flag, and then we have a bear flag right here. So this fell in and will break down on XRP, and this broke in and will break out on Bitcoin here, which is incredible. So another, yet again, opportunity to consider taking advantage of Bitcoin. So the main two cryptos on my radar are XRP right now as a main focus, and then Bitcoin in close second, as there is a good chance pretty much the entire market is planning on correcting in the very near future. And then lastly, with the stock market here, I mean, this is crazy. If we go back just a couple of weeks ago here, you'll notice we've seen now what appears to be resistance. Like we found new technical indicators where every single time we hit this resistance, it causes correction. I don't see why this time would be any different. Jumping to the daily, you can see how consistently this top resistance has been a problem where we correct and correct and correct, and more than likely going to correct. But it's a good thing because this should inevitably help us head higher. I'm going to delete these. I don't want to overcrowd us, but more than likely correction is definitely upon us. We do have some sort of uptrend here, which looks pretty cool. And this is going to sandwich us in. So at some point we are going to collide and then cause this dump just like this. And that is exactly what is going to happen, but this is going to allow us to rally even higher up. So I'm excited. You know, we need corrections to head higher. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.